Welcome to Prime Tools and Equipments. In this video we will see the assembly of hydraulic torque wrenches, square types. First we put the end plug inside the housing and lock it completely, then we put the piston and gland inside it. After this both the sleeves are joint, and then the drive assembly is attached, and a front end cover is added. Once this is completed we connect drive with drive assembly and lock it. After this is done reaction arm is added to the tool, and finally supporting handle is attached to complete the assembly process. Now let's have a look at the assembly of hydraulic torque wrenches, hex types. First step is to attach side bracket to side plate, and then place drive assembly. Then another side plate will be placed with the help of guide pin, and then lock the guide support with guide pin. We assemble the power drive. For this we place piston inside power drive. Then put end plug and tighten it to lock it completely. After this we attach power drive with ratchet ring and to a lock by lock pin. Then we assembled both swivel joint one by one. Finally we attach supporting handle and complete the assembly process. We will see assembly of hydraulic torque wrenches, square types. First we put piston inside the housing of the tool. And then we cover it with end plug. After this we attach reaction arm with the housing by the help of lever. Then drive assembly is attached to piston assembly. Once this is done, end sleeves are used to hold the drive assembly with the housing. After this, square drive assembly is attached to the tool with the help of push pin. Then ratchet lever is attached to the housing. After this, swivel joint 180/360 is assembled. Finally, support handle is attached on the other side of square drive for better application.